Florida's beautiful coastline is home to one of the most intelligent and playful creatures on Earth, dolphins. These social animals can often be spotted cruising through the warm waters just off Florida's coast, riding the waves and even swimming alongside boats. But it's not just the open ocean where they thrive. Dolphins also venture into Florida's intricate network of canals, exploring shallow waters in search of food and fun. From Sarasota to Miami, these incredible animals are a vital part of the local ecosystem, helping maintain the balance of marine life. They remind us of the deep connection between nature and our urban landscapes as they adapt to the changing environment. Next time you're near the water, keep an eye out. Florida's dolphins are never far away, living in harmony with the world above and below the surface. Follow Florida R Us for more.